Hey tribe, today I'm out collecting Goldenrod.
This beautiful plant is solidago, which means to make whole, commonly known as goldenrod. This wonderful plant is 7 times more antioxidant than green tea, is astringent, antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, diuretic, and diaphoretic. Studies suggest that goldenrod may help reduce inflammation, relieve muscle spasms, and lower blood pressure. In Europe, it's used to treat UTIs and help flush out kidney stones. All aerial parts of the plant are edible, commonly used in garnishes, soups, and salad. For medicinal purposes, the leaves and flowers are used either in a tea or a tincture. Today, I'm making a tincture. In general, to make your tincture, you want to put your plant matter in a glass jar. To extract my plant properties, I'm using a 70-proof alcohol made here in Maryland by McClintock Distillery with ingredients provided by Foxhaven Herb Farm, where I did my internship. I completely covered the plant matter and then give it a shake to let all the air bubbles out. I'll put this in a dark, cool place and shake it every once in a while for the next 3 to 4 weeks. After that, I'll strain the plant matter out, then put my liquid extract in an amber bottle. Tinctures can be taken straight from the dropper in teas, sparkling water, or even some cocktail recipes.